Man, that's right, man. Hey, it's no surprise. I got another one for y'all. It's your boy, Mr. 707. Go ahead. If you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and leave a like. Go ahead and drop a comment if you have something to say. Hey, man, that's negative or positive. I'm listening to all of y'all, for real. Anyway, this video is about the emblems, man. I decided, of course, before I got my wrap, to take them off. Well, for one, my wife has been bothering me for a long time now to put them back on. For two, just want to do something different again. So we decided to add the emblems back. That's right, but not just the regular emblems. No, of course not, man. We're gonna do a red, man. We're just gonna do something different. I was gonna do black, but when I first removed my bumper, I knew I was gonna go with red if I did it again. So as you can see, my red emblem in the front was put back on. Matter of fact, I put that on when I did my my lights. When I put my lights on from Diode Dynamics, my demon eyes and halos, I put that red emblem on then, so I already knew what it was gonna be. So I ordered these other red ones, and I've been holding on to them for a while now. Like I said, I had this wrap on May of 2019, so it's going on a year now with this wrap, and I decided to finally put the emblems back on after having this wrap for like a year. So this is what they look like, y'all. So like I said, man, we did the red. I think it looks good. Y'all know I got the red interior. So what y'all think? Yay or nay? Let me know in the comment section. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one, alright?